Hi students, happy morning to all. Welcome to 7th standard video. Today I am going to teach you 7th standard English. Term 3, Unit 1, Journey by Train. Section 2. Already we have learned Section 1. Now we are going to see Section 2. Okay students, shall we move? In section 1, Journey by Train, section 1, this extract, Journey by Train, this extract is taken from the classic adventures novel Around the World in 80 Days by Jules Verne. Jules Verne, who is he? Yeah, he was the author of this prose. Jules Gabriel Verne, already we had seen about him, but once again I explain. Jules Gabriel Verne was a French novelist, poet, and playwright. He wrote a widely popular series of adventures novels, including Journey to the Center of the Earth, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, Around the World in 80 Days. So he has sometimes been called the father of science fiction. Science fiction. Okay. Journey by Train, section 2. Journey by Train. In section 1, an Englishman, Mr. Phileas Fogg, along with his French attendant Passepartout, attempts to go round the world in 80 days on a wager of 20,000 set by his friends at the Reform Club. The train had started punctually. Among the passengers were a number of officers, government officials and merchants. Passepartout rode in the same carriage with Mr. Fogg. So at 12:30 the train stopped at Brambourg. The travellers made a hasty breakfast and started off for Azure. Now they travelled along the banks of the small river Tapte, which empties into the Gulf of Cambrai near Surat. Then towards evening the train entered the valleys of the Chubut mountains, which separate the Cantiers from Bundlehunt. It was 3 in the morning. So now section 2. The train stopped at 8 o'clock in the midst of a clearing some 15 miles beyond Rothal, where there was several bungalows and a workman's cabin. So the train stopped. The train stopped at 8 o'clock. So in the midst of a clearing, where there were several bungalows and workman's cabin. The conductor passing along the carriages shouted. Passenger will get out here. Passenger will get out here. So the conductor's pausing. The conductor shouted to come out. He wanted to come out the passenger. Phileas Fogg looked at Sir Francis Cromarty for an explanation, but the gentleman would not tell why there was a halt in the midst of this forest of dates, a thorny tree. Curious Passepartout rushed out and speedily returned, crying. Sir Francis asked what he was mean. So he meant to say that the train wasn't going to go any further. So the general at once stepped out while Phileas Fogg calmly followed him, and they proceeded together to the conductor. But Sir Francis asked where we were. Sir Francis asked where we were. At the hamlet of Woolpit. So the railway isn't. The railway track finished. So there is still a matter of 50 miles to be laid from here to Allahabad, where the lines begins again. So, but the papers announced the opening of the railway throughout. So, the papers were mistaken. The papers were mistaken. Sir Francis snapped, and he got angry. He got angry. No doubt, replied the conductor, but the passengers know that they must provide means of transportation for themselves from Golbai to Allahabad. Sir Francis was furious. Furious. What is furious? Extremely angry. Sir Francis was furious. Prosper Todd would willingly have knocked the conductor down and did not dare to look at Mr. Fogg. Sir Francis said Mr. Fogg quietly. Mr. Fogg, this is Mr. Fogg thinks that is daily greatly to their disadvantage. So Sir Francis said that it was foreseen. Not at all, but he knew that some obstacle or would sooner or later arise on his route. So he had 2 days which he had already gained to sacrifice. A steamer leaves Calcutta for Hong Kong at noon on the 25th. So this is the 22 and this is the 22nd, and we shall reach Calcutta. They should reach Calcutta in time. So he had 2 days which he had already gained to sacrifice. A steamer leaves Calcutta for Hong Kong at noon on the 25th. This is the 22nd, and they should reach Calcutta in time. Okay students, now we want to learn, we want to know about wonder place. Agra is one of the most visited destinations in India. The main reason is the Taj Mahal. You know that Taj Mahal is one of the wonders. So Agra is one of the most visited destinations in India. The main reason is the Taj Mahal. Agra also has other attractions like the Agra Fort, the Sikandra Fort, Akbar's tomb, and many other tourist spots. Okay students, next we want to know glossary. Okay, first one, halt, stop. Agassiz, a thorny tree. Agassiz, a thorny tree. Snapped, became angry. Furious, extremely angry. Snapped, became angry. Furious, extremely angry. Foreseen, predicted. Obstacle, difficulty. Halt, stopped. Agassiz, a thorny tree. Snapped, became angry. Furious, extremely angry. Foreseen, predicted. Obstacle, difficulty. Okay students, I hope you learn Journey by Train section 2. Next we will see in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you students.